All right, a lot of you guys have been asking me to look at these for quite a while. These are made by a company called Shomer Tech, and I know you're going to ask for the website, so there it is right there, shomer-tech.com, and these are called the Covert cards. And you never know what you're going to get, because when I ordered these, they showed like 100 different types of gift cards. They are real gift cards. So you got to wonder if maybe Shomer Tech, grabs them off of some register somewhere, hundreds of them. It looks completely normal, and you turn it sideways, and you can see it's got a little bit of extra thickness to it. There's a very thin foam back, and you can feel something through it. Now, if you read the instructions, which of course I did not, you can very carefully peel this back, access the tools, put the tool back, and put that sticky foam back on the back of there and keep it in your pocket. If you don't read the instructions, you tend to grab the card. This one's obviously home goods, and I just bent it like I'm snapping the card. And I saw the tools, and I saw that it was sticky, and by then, of course, it's too late. I've already ruined the foam. But if you're careful, as I said, you can pull this off of here. There you go. It is, as I said, a real card. You can still see the barcode on there. Shomer Tech. And then on the back, we got some very cool tools. The ones that grabbed my eye, being a lock picker, are these two right up top. We got a quad humper and a short hook. And I did measure these. These are 20 thousandths of an inch thick. So a good middle of the road thickness to fit a wider variety of locks. Not too thick, not too thin. This little bar that you see right here is, I believe that's probably a piece of the very thin windshield wiper insert, stainless steel. And that's your tensioner. You got to bend it, but if it was already bent, it wouldn't fit quite so nicely inside of this black foam. This next thing down is really interesting. Let me grab it off of here. This is a diamond impregnated file. So if you want to file through something pretty quickly, this is probably the way to go. I can feel it rubbing those calluses off of my guitar finger. Further down here, we see a couple of shims, and I measured these. This one on the bottom here that's bending so easily, 10 thousandths of an inch, so you can decode combination locks and things like that. If you just need to shim something, you can use the one above it, because that is also 20 thousandths. It's the same as the picks. And again, this last one, next to last thing, is really interesting. This looks like a tiny, tiny little hacksaw blade. Got a couple of holes in it, and that hacksaw would only be... Anyway, pretty sharp. I did run my fingers across it, and... pretty sharp thing. I don't know what you'd want to cut through, but if you needed a saw, yeah, that would definitely work. If it didn't work, this little thing over here that's almost invisible, because it's almost this, if it weren't shiny, you might even miss it. I have to be very careful pulling this off here, because this is a ceramic razor blade. I don't know if you can see the beveled edge on that. This thing is super, super sharp. Let me throw that back on there. Anyway, these things run for $37 each, and got a good variety of tools for that price. And I'd like to think that it is an emergency tool. If I ever needed it, I'm sure I would be more than happy to pay $37 to get myself of whatever kind of trouble it was in. And you can do that with a gift card. You never know what you're going to get. Whatever comes up, I guess, is what they're going to send you. So I ended up with a Walmart and a Home Goods. You may end up with a McDonald's or something. I really have no clue. Anyway, because I've already destroyed this, I apologize. I should have read the instructions, but I didn't. So I'm going to give away both of these as part of the same giveaway, along with, you guys knew this was coming, right? A training lock donated by LearnLockPicking.com. This is the 7-pin ultimate adversary lock. These guys are super nice. All the chambers are threaded. You've got the plugs right here along with the pins that will fit into that key. And if you don't want those, you can move directly into this bag of spare parts. Literally hundreds of different types of pins, standard pins. You've got spool pins, T-pins, serrated pins, all kinds of replacement plugs, a bunch of springs in case they shoot out of there, which they inevitably do when you got these things and you're training with them. So great little training lock. I've got two of them myself, the 6-pinner and the 7-pinner. Along with that, because I don't want you to have to break into this kit, you're going to get, again, donated by LearnLockPicking.com, the 17-piece lab pick set, their deluxe kit. Pretty nice, still in the sealed bag. And this guy, the wooden pinning tray, again, is made by Lab, but donated by LearnLockPicking.com. Still in the sealed bag. Help you keep everything sorted. When you got it, you can maybe get it back together in the same order. That will be the giveaway this week, along with those two Covert cards. Appreciate your time, guys. Stay safe. Stay legal. All you need to do is navigate to locklab.com, the tribal website, and scroll down in the middle of the page. You'll see all the giveaway buttons, Monday, Wednesday, and Friday. But the one you're looking for is the Weekend Review giveaway, purple band. Just click on it. It'll take you to the registration page. Again, scroll to the bottom, put in a good email address, so if you win, I can get in touch with you, let you know. Put in a username, doesn't matter what it is, and click Submit. When you're done, you'll get a green check mark confirming your entry. Thanks, guys.